going to do well regardless of which crypto asset does well.
Investors out there that are saying that the price hit 100,000 by the end of the year.
If you're one of those people that are very intrigued by Bitcoin but feel safer trading stocks, your time has come. Hopefully you watched my first video about what Bitcoin is. If not, take a minute and watch it, then hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and leave a comment and share it with a friend. Now that is out of the way, if you're one of those people that are very intrigued by Bitcoin, but feel safer or more familiar with stocks, your time has come. Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the US, was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Asher. Is planning to go public. However, the company won't be doing it through the normal method of initial public offering or IPO. Instead of hiring a bank or a broker, which is what a lot of IPOs do, Coinbase is planning to do a direct listing on the stock exchange instead. This is great for you, for me, for everyone, because you can get a fair market price on what the stock should be worth, rather than having it bump all the way up to some ridiculous price, which is what usually happens, and then it levels off later. That's what happened to Facebook when it first came out with an IPO. The price skyrocketed and then it crashed.
And the price initially shot up on heavy demand. But it didn't last. The day ended with Facebook trading nearly where it began. And in the days that followed, things got worse, with Facebook's value falling nearly 20%.
That wasn't really a crash, it was just it leveling off at fair market price. Sounds great, what's next? Make sure you set enough money aside for the public offering, and if this is being watched after the public offering, take a cost analysis of how much money you have that you can invest. I recommend TD Ameritrade if you don't have a broker. They have this great platform called Thinkorswim. They're not sponsoring me in any way, I'm just think it's a great platform. Yes, I know about WeBull, Acorn, and Robinhood, but they're all beholden to a bigger company pulling their strings. The last thing you want is someone else having power over what you do with your money or your stocks. Just like we saw this summer between Robinhood and the Reddit army.
Tonight, the SEC says that it is actively monitoring market volatility after certain stocks like GameStop have been soaring, fueled by amateur day traders. A new generation of investors using their phones and communicating on Reddit are creating chaos on Wall Street.
Coinbase is planning to list shares on NASDAQ exchange starting today, Wednesday. Unless you're watching this some other time, then hey, it's already on there. With the stock ticker COIN, C-O-I-N. Pretty practical and really cool idea. The price that it'll open up with, somewhere between $30 to $260 per share. According to the latest filings, Coinbase plans to issue about 115 million shares of Class A common stock. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that Coinbase makes its money from Bitcoin. It's literally in the name. How it does this is by generating revenue from transaction fees related to the sale of cryptocurrencies. Over the few years, business has been booming, mainly because Bitcoin has been gaining acceptance among mainstream as well as investors. Morgan Stanley has become the first US bank to offer its very wealthy management clients access to Bitcoin funds. Meanwhile, a large number of companies, including Square, Tesla, and now Walmart, are buying Bitcoin in a few recent months. This has helped push Bitcoin to the moon, as the Twitterverse and Reddit army would say. Bitcoin has been seen as a huge asset class, and it's gone over $60,000 per coin. People are predicting to go over $100,000 in the next few months, as early as July. Coinbase is not just resting on its piggy bank of coins like Uncle Scrooge though, because that's just not realistic and bad for business. Coinbase has been expanding its crypto exchange offer from a few to over 50 different coins, allowing investors to trade in the red hot Cardano as well as other cryptocurrencies. There's little doubt that demand is going to be huge, just huge, when Coinbase stock is unleashed on the stock market. Huge. Now for the PSA. I'm not a financial advisor or planner. That said, demand is going to send Coinbase shares upwards fast. Wait a few days and see if the price levels off. If it opens up at 250 to 300, just wait for it to maybe go down to 100, 200. If it's anything higher than that,
wait a minute.
I'd hold off. Anything I'm missing? Anything else you want to know? What do you want to see less of next week? What do we see more of next week? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll respond to every single one, even if it's just one comment, because we all have to start somewhere. Please subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share with a friend. Thanks for watching. Bye.